The team usually laughs at me when I go into nature for ideas. My friends laugh at me when I go alone. The forests are my escape from the calculated theatre of a restaurant. The timing, precision, communication, and constant pressure. After a decade in the kitchen, I've come to realize the greatest inspiration is often whispered through loud silence of nature. Each dish is a journey, an interpretation of our experiences and memories. I'm proud to say that the dishes we create at Gåte have since gained their own reputation as we share nature's secrets.